Hi, my name is Dr. Victoria Malaney Brown, and my pronouns are she, her, and hers. I am here in my role as the Assembly Coordinator for Coalition Networks today to help hopefully encourage you and recruit you to apply for the newest Assembly Coordinator-elect. Some important tips to keep in mind in order to apply for this opening role is you have to have been in a chair of one of the coalition networks. And you also need to have a really good understanding of how the coalition networks work and operate and provide voice to the governing board, which is something that I have learned a lot in my previous role when I was on the multiracial network as the chair. One of the bigger things that I think are important to keep in mind is that you use your knowledge and understanding of how all of the coalition and network groups work together, also understanding both their challenges that they share and also some of the successes. We get to help plan a lot of different important events for convention. And we have a really great connection and tie into the strategic imperative for racial justice. So to be the next assembly coordinator elect, those are some of the things you'd want to keep in mind. You also help assist in a variety of ways with the awards committee. You participate in multiple meetings with the governing board with the assembly, as well as different ad hoc committees. You're able to recommend policy and practice changes with the association and casting a vote, which really helps shape the policy and work of the association. I really encourage you to consider applying, and I'm here to answer any and all questions, as ideally we'd be working together in the upcoming year. So I really encourage you to consider applying for the role and reach out if you should need anything. I hope to see your application. Thank you.